Today I'm going to show you how to check your blood sugar using a glucometer and how to calibrate your Dexcom, your continuous glucose monitor, okay? So first of all, I'm going to check my blood sugar. So here we go. I have this set up. It is Accu-Chek is the brand. So first of all, I'll just show you here. I'm going to pull them out and show you when I do it, okay? So first I'm going to pull out one of these test strips. And when you first get it, you will want to, you'll follow the instructions, put the battery in or pull the little tab out and set the time and date and everything, okay? Then after that, you can do this when it's off. So see this test strip, see this test strip? You're gonna put this side in, and this is where the blood goes, okay? You put it in, and it turns on. Now it's saying I need to put my blood on there, okay? So this is what I test with. It's a Accu-Chek Fast Clicks. This is the depth. This is the number of pointy things. Forget what it's called. So I'm gonna slide it over. Oh, that means I have one left of a new pokey thingy because I forgot the name of it, okay? And this is the depth of how deep it's gonna go into your skin. I don't want the highest one. If you have lots of calluses, you want that, but this doesn't really get very much. So I'm at 3 right now. So I'm gonna wipe my finger off with the alcohol wipe. And then actually wipe my other finger off with the alcohol wipe. Okay, now I'm going to poke. And now I'm going to squeeze. I squeeze like this. Like that. Okay, that's enough. Here we go. Oh, it turned off before I took too long. So I'm going to really quick stick another one in there. I'm going to stick another one in here. There we go. It'll turn on. And I still have a lot of blood on my finger. I think that should be good. So I'm going to tap it. And it's 190. I have not had my breakfast yet. That is not a good number to have before breakfast. Okay. I don't know why it's that high, but we're going to go with it. I think it's because I ran out of insulin this morning and I didn't change it out right when I ran out. So I'm at 190. So what I'm going to do now is go into my Dexcom G7 app. Okay, this is what it looks like. It says I'm at 225, but I'm at 190. So I'm going to go into log right here. And I'm going to press the plus button. And now it says blood glucose finger stick or calibration right at the top. I am going to go to blood glucose finger stick calibration. I'm going to use calibration. And I'm going to put it 190, save. how calibrations are used, your next sensor reading will reflect the calibration you just entered. You can see your calibrations in the log tab's event log. There we go. And then I'm confirming it. So I press I understand and it records the time and everything. So it says calibration is in progress. Okay. So we're just going to wait for it to update in the sensor, and it'll show that in the Omnipod app. So that's how you do that. Now, when I made my shake, I was supposed to set my timer for 30 minutes. I did not set my timer because I was recording a video showing how to change out the pod. And then I got busy checking other things. So what I do, since I don't remember what time I gave myself insulin, is I'm going to go in to the dashboard. No, I'm going to go into view sensor graph. I can view that and it'll show me along here when I gave myself insulin here. Or I can also go into these three lines up here and go down to, sorry, I got to see what I'm doing. History detail. So I click on history detail and right down here, it says what time I gave myself insulin at 9:41. So that's been a bit. So, but my blood sugar is still high. So I'm going to go ahead and drink my shake right here. And if I give it at 9:41 and it's 11:20, I'm very curious why my blood sugar is kind of high and I haven't eaten anything. That is not normal. Normally, you don't want to wait for past an hour. You only want to give yourself insulin and wait 15 to 20 minutes. For my shake for breakfast, I wait a half an hour. If you wait longer than that, you could possibly have a major low and you'll need to drink some juice if you have that on hand and whatever else. I usually do my glucose tablets. But since I am high, I'm going to go with it. I'm going to go ahead and drink my shake and the insulin will kick in soon. But that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.